Welcome back to another Tool of the Week video, and today we have another EDC tool, and that is going to be Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper Tweezers. And they are sliver grippers, as in a splinter, not silver grippers, as I've seen mistakenly been called. Sliver gripper. There we are. And they are made in USA, which we love. So here they are. I got the keychain model. They clip in, and they also come in like a tube, depending on if that's what you want to do. Maybe more sanitary, depending on where you're using them. But yeah, so here we go. Uncle Bill's Sliver Grippers, and they just come off here like that. And you have just about the most convenient tweezers I've ever seen. And I don't know if you can see it on camera. I've seen some other videos, and they haven't really mentioned this. Let's see if you can see. There are like serrations right at the end. If that'll focus on there, maybe you can see it for a second. Kind of pause that. Yeah, there's serrations right at the end of that. So you can really, get in, pull something out. It really grips on it. It's hard to describe, but you can take my word for it. It's night and day better than like your average, drugstore tweezers like this. It's just really hard to kind of grip on anything because of the way they're cut here. I'm sure these are great if, eyelashes or something like that. But man, if you get a splinter and you just need that precision piece, I'm telling you, I think this is going to be the ticket right there. I've had so many splinters in my life. I can't wait to use these. Not that I ever want to get a splinter, but it's inevitable in my line of work and way of living. But yeah, so these are great. I think these are going to be like the best, EDC, like medical type tweezers that you can find. It does say on the back here, I'll show you this real quick. It says kind of good for everything, hobbies, cosmetics, whatever. And then stainless steel, USA made, quality craftsmanship. And, I'm sure you could use them for those kind of things. Hobby tweezers are usually kind of shaped like this. They're kind of rounded. And then maybe got some grippies on there so you can pick up like a screw or a small part or something. Maybe, I'm going to fail, but kind of like that. And it kind of grabs it, but you're not getting a splinter out with that. So, I mean, every tweezer has its, advantage, I suppose. But what I got these for is just, EDC kind of medical oriented. If you got to take out a splinter, or, even like a bee stinger. Like, I think this would be great on the side of the trail or in the woods or whatever. And this is so easy to clip on your keys or whatever you load out, pack out. I will show you that it does clip into this, if I can get it here. There we go. It's definitely firm fitting. I was kind of confused how this actually worked. Like, I thought, if I put this on my keys, isn't that going to just fall off? It's just tension. Well, it is tension, but it's also, let me take that out. It tensions into that hole, and this, clip here goes into that hole. So once you get it in there, this is not accidentally going to fall off your keys. I'm sure it could. I mean, if you just roll around on the rocks or something, but it's really not going to happen. So no, I think I'm going to put one of these in my biking box for my e-bike, my first aid kit there, and take one to work, put it in the first aid toolbox there, and maybe just keep one around the house or in the car or something. You never know when you're going to need something like that. It just seems absolutely great. Just wanted to make a quick 5-minute video here for you guys like I usually do. And yeah, really excited for these. Well worth the price. I think they were like $15-ish. I don't remember. I'll put a link down in the description. I don't make any money off the links, but I just like sharing stuff, seeing people's response. So, all right, we'll catch you in the next one.